Hi guys, so I got my first Gacha Gachapon by Japan Crate. I've been obsessed with like unboxing videos recently and I wanted to take a stab at it. And so I got my first one. This is for December of 2022. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what we have. I've liked blind boxes and just mystery items for a while, but that's kind of ramped up and I'm starting this and I thought why not record it, so we're gonna get on with that. And so here we go. I'm gonna open it up and there of course is the little interior. Here's the little pamphlet it comes with. I don't necessarily want to read that because if it has any giveaways on it, I don't even want to be spoiled. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 gachapons in this crate for this month. So let's see. Let's put them off to the side and I will take one out. Let's start with the smallest one. So we've got this little black one here with a little bit of tape on it. So we're going to open that if I can. Just got to get the hang of it. Okay, so we've got that. And looks like a little chef dude. So, they're Kirby characters, it appears. So if I open this up, yeah, it looks like little chef Kirby things that you could get. And it looks like I got this one here at the end. And that's what that other side looks like. Obviously, I can't read Japanese, so I don't know what any of it says. But yeah, that's the little guy we have right here. So get him out of his little bag. I have scissors, so. Oh my god, they're jammed. All right. Okay, so there he is. He's got a little skillet, it appears, making an omelet, perhaps. But it's very cute. Try to get that into focus. I don't know if it will, though. Yep, there you go. Oh. I didn't see that. Kudos to the husband for being observant. That makes total sense. And there we have the little finished dude. Unfortunately, I don't know this character. I didn't really grow up with Kirby. I never really played the games, so my knowledge on Kirby is very low. If this is a certain character, which I assume it is, definitely feel free to let me know. Get this one out of the way. All right. Let's do this one next. It's a decent sized one. There's also some tape on it, but I might need the tape, or might need to remove it, but let's see. Yeah. I can't get it. Don't even know how it's supposed to open. I got it. Okay. A little bit of work there. Okay. Looks like it's a little game of sorts. Yeah. That's exactly what that is. So we have the Fujiyama one. No, I'm blind. We have the border one. That's the one we have. So they're just different versions, different colorizations of this game. Obviously, like the panda one's really cute. I really would have liked the leopard print one as well. We got this one that looks just very classic. The other side. These games. I've never played this. So. Ah. Yeah. If you're real good, then you catch it on that. Working with limited space here, so I can't really like get it to. But yeah. If my camera was not as close as it was, I would probably be able to do better at this. But just a little game. I bet you Nick, which is my husband, will be entertained by this and want to play it. Come on, my setup. You will, but not yet. Okay. Nick, what one should I open now? The bright pink one. All right. Looks like I already see the inside. They're Inuyasha characters. Inuyasha is not an anime I've watched, but like one of my best friends really liked it. Like has liked it for ages, and I'm interested in it. So don't get me wrong, I want to see it. And it's a pretty girl, I'll tell you that. I don't know who it is. It's this girl here. Please, by all means, inform me of this character because I literally only know Inuyasha, Komogi, and Sesshomaru. I definitely know. I butchered that. But I only know those 3 characters. Nonetheless, though, this girl looks cool. And I have a bunch of these type of keychains for Demon Slayer. So this is literally exactly like those. I have 2 of these style keychains on my set of keys. I've got Kanao and Nezuko from Demon Slayer of this exact like style. So definitely gonna have to watch just for her because again, like I really like how she looks. She looks cool. Did I say Komogi earlier instead of Kagome? Komogi, girl. That's Hunter. Wow, that is heat wrapped. I could not open that at all. But it's what I want to open next. Gotta pass it to Nick to get this open. Just wait. We'll wait. You got it, no problem. It's back. Let's see. I can't tell. It might be anime. Again, I really like how this ball is. It's really fun. Just gotta figure out how to open it. What? Ah. All right, we got it open. Let's see. Oh, they're little, okay. No, they're from this branch that I like. They're little terrariums. I forget, yeah, Sumiko Garashi. Again, pardon if I'm saying that wrong. But I have a little mystery box from this brand already, and they're just really cute characters. So, of course, we're gonna... How do we set this up? Is this just a random lid that doesn't even... Like, heck if I know. What? Maybe it just recloses. It might. So we've got a patch of grass. It's definitely nice. And then that goes just in there like that. And these look like little Okay, so I think I have, yeah, I do. I have these ones. It, like, where my thumb is. Ugh, this one. They look like little moles. Ground creatures. So yeah, it's just a little mole, right? Yeah. Is he gonna focus? He wants to. Don't know if he's going to. Oh. There's little baby question mark. Doesn't even have a nose. So we've got those, but first we've got this background. So let's open that. Little pieces with nails. I'm just saying, it's not a fun time. But yeah, so there are these just cute, adorable little characters here. With this, you could cut it out if you needed to and just stick them in there as you please. For now, I'm just gonna toss them right in. First, let's remove the grass. That'll make it easier. Definitely seems like it probably goes in straight up like that, which is why it's got this perforated line, so you would just remove it. But we're just gonna stick these in here for now. And it's just a cute little terrarium set. So that'll look cute next to my other one I've got. But that's a lot to nitpick right now, so we're just gonna set it right there. And then move on to the next one. Okay. We'll do this green one here. Really shaking the camera. Awesome, thank you. I would not have been able to do that with my nails. Ta-da! Alrighty. It's Pokemon! So you could get Pikachu, Eevee, Squirtle, a Corgi Pokemon that I don't know. And I recognize this one, I just don't know its name. So, let's see what... Huh? Vulpix? Oh. Oh, okay. Cool. So let's see what one we got. It's the Corgi one that we're unfamiliar with. But seeing these colors, it's adorable. Yeah, that's like the only Pokemon I've not ever seen before. But... that's what it is. It's really stinking cute. Yeah, I think it's really cute. Love its little colors. Again, like I said, like I really do. I like these colors a lot. Because I like earth tones. I like greens and yellows, tans, etc. So I like this Pokemon. In Japanese... Nick asked if it says its name. I guarantee you that's its name right here. I definitely, personally, don't know it. Okay. We'll do this clear one. It looks like it's a fish. Like a keychain. Let's see. Okay, open that one. Fine. Yep, and that is exactly what it is. It's just a little fish keychain. It's not bad. It's pretty cute. I will speak as someone who is not a fan of seafood personally, though. Like, it's just not my thing. I am a picky eater, so where's the surprise? I have this middle one right here. And then, you know, just the back with all these Japanese words. Take the scissors to this one. Just take it out. So again, it's just a fish. Let's see how it opens. Because it does open. Ugh, my nails might be inhibiting me. Oh, just like this. That's why that's there. You can probably take this off, but for now I'm not going to. You can remove its insides. And then this here is just a mirror. That. Just close it back up. Keychain. If you need to check up on your eyeshadow and get a little mini mirror in a fun way. There. And move on to the next one. I never got this one out of the way. So we've got 2 gachapons left. So let's see. Should I do blue or yellow? Blue? Okay. This, you can already see it. It's Sumiko Garashi. My mind blanked. But again, that same brand that this one is, that I think is absolutely adorable, and I want to learn more about this brand and get more into them. I think it's super cute. Is there more tape? No. There. Oh, it's a watch. Okay, hold on. That's actually really cute. Would I ever use it? Probably not, but it is very cute. Yes, that's exactly what these are. Yep. Just little watches. I do like all of them, but I think I got the one that I liked the most. I would be fine with the cat as well. I got this little whale guy, which is actually the little figure I have already. It's of the same little dude. So, there it is. Again, I love the muted colors. Yeah, Sumiko Garashi. And just it's up like that. Another nail pop. And there it is. And it's either hit a button to count the time. There's that. All that. Pretty cool. I think that's very cute. Again, I don't know if I would have a use for it, and it would just be laying around. But who knows? Maybe I'll decide to wear it as a fashion statement one day. Probably not. But absolutely adorable. On to the last one for the December 2022 Gacha Crate. Gacha Gacha Crate. It's a yellow one. I don't really want to look too hard to see what it is, because I like the surprise. So we'll go ahead and get this open. Here we go. You can kind of see the silhouette, but I can't personally make out what it is at all. I can't get it open. Pass along to Nick. Should snap open like the other ones. There we go. Thank you. Alright. It's okay. It's what? Is it another Pokemon thing? Yes, it is another Pokemon thing. These are very cute. So there's of course Pikachu. And then I recognize this one, but I don't know its name. Huh? Cyndaquil. One of the actually it has 2 tusks. I don't know what this one is.
I don't remember.
I recognize this one, but I don't know who it is. Say that again?
Oddish.
Oddish. That makes sense. And we have this one.
Sandshrew.
Sand
Shrew.
Shrew. I just wanted to make sure I was saying it right.
With evolution is sand sludge.
I see. But yeah. It's cute. I got another Pokemon with like these same like color schemes. Oh cool, it just opened right up. I was about to take my scissors to it. And he's just playing with his blobs. It's very cute. I really like it. Get a better look at them. It's very cute. Okay, guys, so this is what I got in the December 2022 Gacha Gacha Crate by Japan Crate. Let me know what one was your favorite. If I had to pick, I really did love this Sumiko Garashi watch, even though I have no conventional use for it. I just think it's absolutely adorable. And then I also really liked the Inuyasha keychain and this little corgi Pokemon. So those ones were my favorites. I definitely am interested in doing this again. So that would mean more unboxing videos for you. Yeah, so again, let me know what ones were your favorites. If you've gotten this crate before, what ones did you get that you were either pleasantly surprised by or just didn't like at all? So what was maybe a least favorite and a favorites from ones you've gotten? And yeah, so this was really great. Right now they are offering like a 30% off your first crate. So that is what I did. For me, it was $27 US, which is not bad. And I find it, I think it's worth the money. And I definitely look forward to doing this again. So peace, guys. Thanks.